I'm back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video that we will be talking about the power of accumulators in trading. So on our screen we can see I have 30 USD. So we will be starting with this capital that is 30 USD for just illustration. Yes, and this is tradeprofx.co.ke. So you can see, as you can see, we have our strategies over there. We have overhand, auto switch, rise and fall, accumulators, and bot AI. So I'll just go to the strategies and then click on the accumulators tab. So this is how you will be going. So you can either use any trade you want. So for me, I just want to try to trade using the accumulators trading the trading robot. So just to get into straight into it, I'm using a stake of 4 USD, and guess what, I'll be making only 0.34 USD on every trade. As you can see, that's our first trade. So you might be thinking, bro, that's a small money, but recent small gains normally add up. So if I keep growing at a rate of 5% growth rate in the accumulators strategy, my account will get healthier without me stressing over big risks. So yes, I'm using a bigger stake, but the same way I'm using a small, I'm just getting small wins. It's at least it's giving me some time from avoiding very many losses. So this is the way forward using this trading robot. So you will be using it. You can either target your wish. You can target 1 USD. You can target 2 USD. But for now, I'm just showing you how you will be using these accumulators trading robot. That is, you can see we have 2.4004 USD. So in case you just wanted to, you just exit. In case you want to proceed, you can proceed. So my aim is usually to make at least my first target is to target the stake I'm using. So in case I lose, you can see I've lost that. So in case I'm just targeting 4 USD, then after I get and get comfortable making that amount which I'm using as the stake, from there what will I do? I will now aim to get another 2 USD. So I first get the stake I'm using, so that's 4 USD, then another 2 USD, and I call it a day. That's how you will be doing, but it's upon you. Don't risk much higher than that, because though it's your own decision, but try to minimize your risk. So you can see we have gotten a loss, and then we are trying to recover that. So currently we are trying to recover all that loss, and then we can start trying again to target 4 USD. Then we add 2 USD. So after you hit that goal, you just as I've said, you just add just 2 USD, then you get out of the market. Simple, stress-free, and effective. So, and by the way, don't forget I'm using these from tradeprofx.co.ke. But before you run over there to search for the same bot. It's not updated on the back end yet. Yeah, I know we are working on it currently, but soon all the bots will be available for you guys to use them. So stay tuned. And always go and search and use tradeprofx.co. Keep on checking on it. So in the meantime, you can make your own bot. It's very simple, and you can start trading. You can do it by just creating a simple bot on the trading deriv bot section. So you just put 5%. Try to do the same thing I'm doing manually. You using the accumulator strategies I've taught. Just run for 3, or just use like 3 trades at a time, then check the statistics. Those are the one I normally check during doing it manually, and then decide whether you want to continue trading after 3 trades at a time, and then take profits. That's how you can do it. Then check at the stats. So the target I've told you is 4 USD currently. So I'm just also looking at the stats on my back end, then I'm running the bot. So if you want more clarification for premium classes, you can also join and contact me. So yes, we are closer to getting our 4 USD stake, so we proceed. So I know some of you just want to press buy, like just press just buy like 100 times and get a very good profits, but still the goal is usually sustainability. No stress, build slowly, get steady and enjoy the process. So as you can see me doing, I'm not just running anyhow, I'm just running step by step. I look at things and then I proceed running my bot. So if you are into digits, by the way, use tradeprofx.co.ke for cursor detection, because the previous or the current interface does not show you that triangular cursor. So you can use tradeprofx.co.ke for our strategies while you await for the best trading bots to drop at tradeprofx.co.ke. So that's it, guys. We are remaining with 2 USD and we call it a day. So that's a wrap for today, guys. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Small consistent gains, as you can see me doing, will always beat reckless gambling in the long run. Remember, we say trading is not gambling, especially in the binary options. What we do is you use something we call a strategy that works. That's what will give you profits. So always start with what you can afford, grow at your pace, and mostly importantly, protect your capital. That's why you can see me illustrating using this capital here. It's just a small capital. In case I wanted just to make a hit and run, I'll just have used around 200 USD, and then Martingale does it for me. So I'll get recovery by the Martingale in case of any loss. But for now, uh, protect your capital, target your stake first, then secure your profits and don't overtrade. The market will always be there, remember that. And hey, always keep an eye on tradeprofx.co.ke. Big things are coming soon, very soon. Big things are coming, and all the trading bots will be available, so stay tuned. In the meantime, test out the accumulator strategy, track your stats, and then make the good smart moves so that you can attain good profits. Yeah, and we are here to make profits, not donations to the market. Always put that in mind. Take it easy, be smart, and I'll catch you in the next video. So we are at 6 and we are done, as you can see. So drop a comment if you have any questions, like the video if you found this helpful, and subscribe so that you don't miss in the next trading update. Trade wisely and grow steadily, and also see you in the next video and at the top. And this is Trade Pro FX, always here to support you guys with all the knowledge I have in trading. Let's meet in the next